Okay, how to find out equilibrium of a consumer in indifference curve approach. Two important tools we will be using are indifference curve and budget line. This is our indifference curve and this is our budget line. In determining the slope of budget line, prices plays important role. So its slope is price of x divided by price of y. This is slope of budget line. In case of indifference curve, slope depends upon the ratio of marginal utilities of both commodities. I mean to say marginal utility of x and marginal utility of y. So these are their respective slopes. This is our budget line and this is our indifference curve. It shows various combinations of two commodities, suppose x and y, various combinations of two commodities which are providing equal satisfaction to consumer. Budget line shows various combinations of x and y, two commodities which a consumer can buy from given income and prices of the commodities. To find out the solution, we will draw indifference curve map and budget line both in same diagram. This is our budget line, this straight line is our budget line, and these are indifference curves. This is IC1, IC2, IC3 and IC4. These are different indifference curves. So equilibrium of the consumer will be where the highest indifference curve is touching our budget line. Why it is so? To understand this point, we will compare 2 points. Suppose this is, let me complete this indifference curve. Okay, if we compare this point with this point, total expenditure of a consumer is equal, that is total income. He is spending total income on this point also, he is spending total income on this point also. By spending his total income, he is getting some combination of x and y on this point, and same here on this point also some combination of x and y he is purchasing on both points. So his total expenditure is equal. What about the satisfaction? It is on higher indifference curve and it is on a lower indifference curve. So this point is giving you lesser satisfaction as it is on a lower indifference curve. This point will give you more satisfaction as it is on a higher indifference curve. So you will prefer this point. There are other indifference curves also which are providing you even more satisfaction, but with given income and given prices of x and y, you cannot buy these combinations. So this is your budget line. All the points above this is non-feasible area, you cannot buy those combinations. Below this line, these points you can purchase. These are the combinations of x and y you can purchase, but as you are utility maximizer, so you will try to purchase maximum units of x and y. So your equilibrium will be somewhere on budget line only. Above this you can't buy, below this you will not prefer to buy because you are a rational consumer and you want to maximize your satisfaction. So you will be consuming on the highest indifference curve, which is a tangent or which is touching to your budget line. So you will be operating here. To find out the equilibrium level of a consumer, there are two conditions. First order condition will be slope of budget line should be equal to slope of indifference curve. Second order condition will be marginal rate of substitution should be decreasing. One more way is also there to explain the same thing, that is indifference curve should be convex to origin. So either you can write this or you can write this. These are two conditions which should be fulfilled to find out the equilibrium of the consumer.